That's taking things seriously, being focused and having ambition. Some people do not even have know what they want. They just wake up every day, start wallowing around, and you see them at the end of the day
without setting obligations, plans.
Having an obligation or plans or whatever.
Oh.
They just hope on whatever the day bring forth for them. They just
comes,
take it.
Oh.
You see.
Okay.
So that is the 2 points I have on that.
Wow.
Taking things seriously and being humble. Have a giving listening ear to people.
Wow.
Because God is not on earth here. It's people you meet, and it's people that will change you, people that will bring you or lead you to whatever. People, even the business, the opportunity will come from people. So you have to always be careful on how you meet people, how you talk with them, honor people, and value everybody. And value everybody.
Thank you so much. I've actually grabbed so much wisdom, so much experiences from your business, from your life experience in general. I've learned so much today. Thank you, Kachi, Depot Oil and Gas. As a young entrepreneur in the oil and gas sector, what do you really have to tell the youth, the upcoming ones who desire to become successful, but they are believing in what they call quick money-making scheme? What do you really have to tell them as a successful young man in the oil and gas sector?
Okay, thank you so much for this question in particular, because to me it's a special question that some of them out there will like to hear what I want to say about that. People, I will tell you, and I will tell you nothing but the truth. Everything that blossoms so quickly will always vanish before you know it. And anything that you do not struggle so hard to build will disappear one day. You see? Okay, take for example all these billionaires that have been into illegal business and all of that. They've end up and you see nothing there. Because even in the Bible, after Solomon might have grabbed all the things that he have, he later said that vanity upon vanity, all of them are vanity. You see? So it's better for you to start up something you build and put your effort and manage, even when it's not yielding you everything. But from there, you'll be gaining something small, than to lay your hands upon a large amount of money. But in a particular day, you look at yourself and you see nothing. Because on this fallacy and might they are pursuing, they called quick money. Before you know it, because of the fact that you don't have any foundation with that, one day you look for it, you will not see it. But trust me, somebody who started business, which he learned very well and has experiences, will always sustain from that business. Even if the person runs out of the capital he's using for that business, if he managed to raise another money and start up again, will still build up. But on that illegal way you are pursuing money, you don't have any root. And trust me, a government might arise one day and look into that illegal way you are using to and ban it, and you'll be frustrated. But on that legal means, you will always sustain. You will always sustain, and you have your normal life, your freedom. You don't have to run up and down. You don't have to hide. You always be bold in the society.
Wow.
Because you are into something that give you rest of mind. You not dodge police, rather you are dodging any kind of forces because of you are doing this illegal business. Of even only that restlessness is enough for you to quit.
Wow.
It's enough for you to quit.
Wow. Thank you so much. I so appreciate. I believe I'm gonna give you the second invitation because of your time. You know, they say time is money.
Yes.
So that I know you have one or two business appointments you have for the day, so that I can release you for you to attend to one or two things. But before we round up the section for the day, I know we've learned so much from this young entrepreneur who is succeeding and is looking forward to expanding and having more employees, but thereby you are really helping to reduce unemployment rates. Thank you so much. I want to know the advice you have to give, like your two major facts about life.
Yes. Let me start by telling you that in life, if you want to make it as a youth, you have to leave your comfort zone, because they say that success is like biting more than you can chew. And you see some people, the environment you are is not supporting your financial aspect of life, but due to you've addicted to that kind of an environment, it's very hard for you to live and wake up to face something that will change your life. It's drawing you back. So from there, I'm bringing out my first point, where I will tell you that for you to, as a youth, I'm telling you, for you to attain success, you have to stress yourself. You have to leave that comfort zone. Comfort zone in the sense that that area that is going to change your life. Maybe you've not been there before. You have to leave that present place you are to go that place that will automatically transform your life. Because going back to what I've said before, when I was working when I was employed and working, all these things are happening down there on my stage where I'm born.
Okay.
You see? And all this, my society was when I worked as a bus, a driver mate, bus conductor. But when I decided to venture into business with my little savings, I concluded that I have to leave that place first. I have to change my environment, because I've been already influenced with the kind of life, with the kind of people I'm living with, I'm being friends with at that place. We are comfortable with the level of my finance. So for me to think higher and was like inquisitive to change my life, I have to live there and face another fresh life, fresh environment, fresh thinking. And with this, I was able to have a total change and a total view of what I am before. So success is like biting more than you can chew. Because of that, you have to face some things that you've been avoiding. More like to face your fears. Because it's in that your fears is like the bridge gap between failure and for you to succeed, is where your fear is. So for you to make it, you have to face your fears.
Wow.
That thing you are scared of doing, for you to get a result, you have to face it. Because if you keep running away from that, your result will remain the same thing. But when you face it, you see a different result. So to achieve success, you have to bite more than you can chew, and you have to face your fears. One. Secondly, you have to always believe that you will make it. Believe in yourself. You see, one problem we have is that majority of people do not even believe that I can make this, I can become somebody big. I'm already a failure. There's nothing I can do again.
Self-condemnation.
Self-condemnation. Condemning themselves even while they are still alive and vibrant.
active.
You see, you have to be that person who will always believe that I can touch the sky, I can do this, I can become this. Because everybody you see in this life is special. Nobody has been born or created out of mistake. We are all special in our own ways. And for you to be special, there is this special position that is waiting for you. There is this special business that is waiting for you.
You are actually making quite a very good point.
Yes.
That's where discovering potential or purpose will take place.
Yes. If I should talk about that potentials, it will also link what I'm saying about self-confidence, self-value. And for me, I believe that everyone in life have that special thing that we offer him whatever he wants in life, that he or she is being born with. You see, some are genius in business, some are genius in the area of handwork, some are genius in the area of skills, thinking out, being creative, being creative and all that. But you see the person ignoring it, and looking at someone else, he is not the same person he was, and trying to learn from the person. And when you force yourself to learn from something you don't have that potential for, you always fail, because the potential to strive and make it through that means is not there. So that self-confidence, self-realization, realizing that you are more capable of whatever you can think of, is another great factor there.
Wow.
Is another great factor there. So I'm telling you that as a youth, that self-confidence, self-value, realizing that you are capable, you can do it. You can become even better than all these people riding flashy cars up and down. You can do better than them. It's very, very important.
Just to wrap it for the day, our successful entrepreneur who is into the oil and gas sector is encouraging us that you are more powerful than you can imagine by leveraging on the special skills and potentials which is invested in us. And before we can be able to achieve that, to utilize our potentials, we have to kill our fears first.
Yes.
And move out of our comfort zone.
Face our fears.
Face our fears. Move out of your comfort zone. Do something, plan, invest, build for your future. Thank you so much, sir.
I'm pleased.
Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.
We've really grabbed so much. I wish this would proceed, but because of time, let's call it.
Yeah, let's call it a day.
Thank you so much.
I'm pleasant.
Thank
You're
you,
welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.